we're the medical team, we're here to help you. Can you hear me, John? Okay, John, we're a bit worried about your breathing, so we're just going to get some observations on you and hopefully get you breathing a bit better. Where's this?
Airway secure.
John, can you tell me a bit about what's going on? So
He's not able to really tell you much, but I've been in chat with his wife before
if you hold that
when he came in.
Yeah. Okay, so supporting the airway there.
The temperature probe's over there.
Where is it, sorry? Right, I'll have a listen to his heart sounds as well.
Should be here.
That one, so one of you okay to be attacked. Thank you.
Excellent. So they need to be discussed.
So I need
So
to phone.
yeah, so you need to discuss them.
No idea how this.
Don't worry. So yeah, it should go. So it goes in like that, and then you fill it for there. But that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Do you want a scan, do you? Yeah,
No, not